The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. Several reports of a strange animatronic were seen walking down a dark alley in Times Square. This animatronic was last seen killing people by stuffing them into its mouth. If you see this animatronic, do not approach it, and call 911. Rumors say this animatronic could be a Springtrap, but that cannot be confirmed as of this moment. Stay tuned for more updates.
Partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-50s. The chances of rain are only 10%.
An update has been issued for your local area. This is the local area emergency for the Manhattan area. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. An update about this strange animatronic has been given. This animatronic's name is Springtrap. Springtrap is standing 6 feet tall, has bunny's ears, and has mechanical parts all over it, and this animatronic is believed to contain an individual inside it. This animatronic is extremely dangerous to approach, as this animatronic can jump-scare everyone. Several reports of people being jump-scared by Springtrap outside or inside of a building in a vehicle. In addition, Springtrap has summoned more of the Five Nights at Freddy characters, but most of them are in a nightmarish form. Please remain away from them because they are hostile and eventually face life-threatening situations. The New York Police Department and the New York State Police are now on patrol to deal with these animatronics, including Springtrap. Stay tuned for more information regarding this situation.
Civil danger warning for Brooklyn, Manhattan, and Lower Manhattan. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York State Police and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The Five Nights at Freddy's animatronics and Springtrap are causing massive damage across New York City and Brooklyn. Several severe damages to buildings and vehicles have been reported to the authorities. All residents who are in Manhattan, Brooklyn, and Lower Manhattan are being advised to evacuate the area immediately and bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery or a hand-crank radio. The Nightmare Freddy has mutated into a Golden Freddy, making the situation even worse. Several explosions have been seen and heard across downtown New York City. This is a life-threatening situation, and the actions should be taken seriously. This message will be repeated shortly. Repeating, evacuate immediately.
Civil danger warning for the state of Massachusetts. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Massachusetts State Police and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The nightmare animatronics, Golden Freddy, and Springtrap have spread into nearby states, including New Hampshire, Vermont, Maine, Massachusetts, New Jersey, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Delaware, and Pennsylvania. In addition, the nightmare animatronics and Golden Freddy has now the ability to multiply themselves, causing the situation to be worsen. If you see any of the nightmare animatronic, Golden Freddy, or Springtrap, then run away as fast as possible and do not go near them. You'll face certain death if you do. The U.S. military is being sent to deal with the animatronics, Golden Freddy, and Springtrap. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous and life-threatening situation.
We interrupt with regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the U.S. military, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. The nightmare animatronics, Golden Freddy, and Springtrap have taken over the world. At around 11 a.m. Central Time, the nightmare animatronics, Golden Freddy, and Springtrap have managed to take over the world. These animatronics and Springtrap are completely immune to firearms, weaponry, and nuclear weapons. These animatronics, including Golden Freddy and Springtrap, are expected to teleport themselves into nearby planets to take over, and eventually, the entire solar system. At this time, head to your shelters, attempt to hide as much as possible and gather your loved ones. This broadcast will cease all transmission until further notice.